First of all, what is Laravel? Laravel is one of the fastest growing PHP frameworks of 2014. Its creator, Taylor Atwell, released the first beta version in June 2011 as a response to the growing pains of CodeIgniter PHP framework. Even in the first release, Laravel contained some impressive functionality, offering things like built-in authentication, Eloquent ORM for database operation, localization, models and relationships, simple routing mechanism, caching, sessions, views, form and HTML helpers and more. The fourth major version of the framework was released in May 2013 and has been rewritten from the ground up as a collection of components. The latest version, the one that we'll use in this course, is Laravel 4.2, released in May 2014. The next version, 4.3, is expected to be released in November 2014.